All right, here we are in Unit 7 of CS Discoveries on code.org, and this is level number 9. Before we even get into anything, take a look at what this mock-up of this app is. You hit run, and you'll see that there are 3 buttons programmed with a monkey, tiger, horse, all of which have loud, obnoxious sounds. This last button is not programmed. So the goal is get this soundboard finished up by programming this last button to have a picture, have text on there that matches the picture, and a sound to go with it. All right? So now you can follow their directions. They go in a little bit different order than I do, but it accomplishes the same thing. Okay? So if you want to do that, go ahead. Otherwise, here we go. Pick an animal that you want to show up in that button. Personally, I'm a dog person, so I'm just going to Google dog, go to images. Now here's the thing that I've run into. When I go, oh, this is an adorable puppy. When I go here and I do a save image as, I need you to be very careful to look at what type of file it is. So when you hit your save image as and it pops up, on yours it's just going to be a little window. On mine, I'm going to see, like, for example, it says AVIF file. Here's the problem, is that that type of file for an image is not supported on code.org. Here's my recommendation. Go ahead and screenshot it instead. When you screenshot it, it always saves either as a JPEG or a PNG file. Those ones work well in code, okay? When I click on it, it'll give me the option to save it. So I'm going to save it and just call it puppy. And I will get back out here, save it, and my document, puppy. Okay. All right, so pay attention where yours is as well. All right, so now we have a picture. Go back to code. All right. Notice you have these set property things in that are programmed for the other 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do a similar thing. Grab set property. It really doesn't matter if you put it up top or at the bottom. If you want to put it at the bottom, go right ahead. Okay, let me get this to cooperate. All right, now this is for button 4. So click where it says ID in the drop down, should be button 4. Next, click on here and you have to find image. You might have to scroll a bit because there's quite a few options in the drop down. Finally, you have to hit choose, find the picture that you want to upload. I'm just going to choose this one that I already have uploaded. You might have to go out, find your files, and go ahead and upload it, okay? Once you've got a file there, simply click choose and it will put that in there. You can tell if it worked by simply hitting reset run. I've got my picture. Cool. Second thing, let's switch the text from saying you choose to something like whatever animal you chose. In my case, it's going to be a dog. Another set property. Again, I'm going to choose button 4. Here, however, I'm going to choose text because I want to type text in here. The last drop down also says text. You just have to type what you want in there. I'm going to say dog, or maybe I'll say puppy. Puppy, exclamation point. Okay. Again, hit reset run. We're almost done. All right. You've got your image, you've got the text. Now we need a sound. The sound, if you notice, on the 3 loops above you that say on event, button 1, button 2, button 3, we are going to add an on event for button 4. Again, choose button 4 out of that ID drop down. Leave click as is. Come here to play sound. And then, instead of any default sound, match it up with an animal you choose. I'm just going to choose puppy. And when I see it come up, click on it to highlight it and then scroll down till you see an orange choose button, and then reset run, and it should work. Good luck. Let me know when you have it done.